What if I told you that the money sitting safely in your bank account could actually be making you poorer every single year? Not because someone stole it, not because the bank collapsed, but because inflation is quietly eating away at its value day after day. You see, most professionals believe that financial security means having a large savings account, a few million sitting in the bank, a rainy day fund, a sense of comfort. But here is the uncomfortable truth. In 2026, cash is no longer a safe haven. Cash is melting ice. And while you are working hard, saving diligently, and feeling responsible, the cost of living is rising faster than your money can grow. Medical care is more expensive. Fuel is more expensive. School fees rising. Housing costs rising. Even basic digital services and utilities continue becoming more expensive every year, which means that your money may look the same on the screen, but its purchasing power is shrinking. Today, I want to show you why traditional saving is becoming one of the most dangerous financial habits for high-earning professionals, and why the wealthy are moving their money into hard assets like multi-unit rental property instead. Because the goal is not just to save money. The goal is to protect wealth, grow wealth, and create income that rises with inflation instead of being destroyed by it. Hi, I am Manyara Kirago. For over 20 years, I have helped thousands of professionals and business owners optimize their finances and move towards financial independence. Many of my coaching clients today own apartment buildings generating stable rental income that protects them from the uncertainty of corporate life and the erosion of inflation. I've seen doctors, pilots, scientists, IT specialists, and senior executives completely transform their financial future by making one key shift. They stopped thinking like savers and started thinking like asset owners. And if you stay with me until the end of this video, I'll show you exactly why this shift matters more today than ever before. If you need support in building your own financial independence strategy, I invite you to watch my free video, How to Grow Your Wealth and Attain Financial Freedom. The link is in the description below. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with somebody who needs this message. Now let's jump into it. Most people think inflation is just prices going up. But inflation is much more dangerous than that. Inflation is a silent tax on cash. Let me explain. Imagine you have 1 million shillings sitting in a savings account. You feel safe, comfortable, responsible. Now, imagine inflation is running at 5%. That means the next year, your same million will buy you 5% less goods and services. You didn't lose money numerically, but you lost purchasing power, which means your lifestyle capacity declined. Think about that carefully. If inflation remains at 5% for several years, the erosion compounds. And in reality, many of the things professionals spend money on rise much faster than official inflation figures. Things like medical costs, education, insurance, rent, imported products, technology. Sometimes it's 8%, sometimes it's 10%, even higher. So while your bank balance looks stable, your future is quietly becoming more expensive. This is why I say inflation behaves like an invisible thief. Imagine working 40 hours a week, only to have 10 hours stolen from your wallet every month. That is effectively what inflation does to stagnant cash reserves. And yet, most people celebrate saving money while ignoring what that money can actually buy. That is the illusion. Now let's talk about something very important. Traditional saving strategies were designed for a different economic era. Years ago, modest inflation and decent interest rates allowed savers to preserve value reasonably well. But today, that equation has changed. Most savings accounts pay returns that are below inflation rate. And after taxes on interest income, you're often left with what is called negative real return. In simple language, your money is growing slower than the cost of life itself. Then it means that although the numbers increase slightly, your actual wealth declines. And this is where many high-income professionals get trapped. Because high salaries create a false sense of security. You feel financially successful because your income is strong. But most of your wealth sits in cash or low-growth investments. Inflation quietly undermines your future. This is why many people earning excellent incomes still feel financially anxious. Because deep down, they know they're running faster and faster every year just to maintain the same standard of living. And meanwhile, the wealthy play a completely different game. The wealthy do not primarily store wealth in cash. They store wealth in assets. Why? Because assets move with inflation, sometimes faster than inflation. Let's talk about one of the most powerful inflation-resisting assets in history, real estate. Specifically, income-producing multi-unit rental property. Why does rental real estate work so well? Because shelter is a fundamental human need. People will always need housing. And as the cost of living rises, rents tend to rise too, which means your income adjusts upwards with inflation. This is extremely important because instead of inflation hurting you, inflation now starts working in your favor. The value of land tends to increase over time. Construction costs rise, replacement costs rise, rental income rises, and therefore well-located property values often rise too. This means that your asset appreciates while simultaneously producing income. This is fundamentally different from cash sitting idle in a bank. Cash does not work, property works. Even if currency weakens, the utility value of property remains. People still need somewhere to live. That is why real estate has historically protected wealth across different economic environments, especially multi-unit rental property. Because unlike single apartments with one tenant, multi-unit property spreads risk across many tenants and creates a more stable cash flow. One vacancy does not destroy your income. The property continues producing. This stability matters enormously when building long-term financial independence. Now here is where things become very interesting. Rental property does not just preserve wealth. It can accelerate wealth creation. Imagine owning a 24-unit apartment building. Each year the rents increase modestly, maybe 3%, maybe 5%. Meanwhile, your mortgage payment stays relatively stable. So, over time, your income rises while your debt burden becomes easier to carry. Why? Because inflation reduces the real cost of the debt. You are effectively repaying yesterday's loan with tomorrow's weaker currency. This is one of the biggest wealth building advantages wealthy investors understand deeply. Inflation punishes savers, but it often rewards strategic borrowers who own productive assets. And as the property appreciates, your equity grows too. Let's say you bought a building worth 80 million shillings. Over time, the value rises to 120 million. Your loan balance may actually be falling while your property value is rising. The difference between your value and the loan becomes equity. And equity creates options, refinancing, expansion, additional acquisitions, retirement security. This is how asset-based wealth compounds over the decades. Now, let me say something that may surprise you. For many busy professionals, I do not believe building property from scratch is usually the best path. The smarter move is often acquiring existing income-producing buildings. Why? Because existing buildings already have tenants, cash flow history, proven demand, operational track record. You bypass years of construction risk. You avoid contractor problems. You avoid delayed approvals. And most importantly, you start the cash flow clock immediately. This is one of the biggest mindset shifts professionals must make. Stop thinking like a developer. Start thinking like an investor. The goal is not to impress people with a construction project. The goal is to acquire assets that generate reliable income and protect your financial future. Do you ever wonder why wealthy families rarely hold large amounts of idle cash? It's because they understand something most people ignore. Cash deteriorates, assets compound. The wealthy understand that money must move into productive systems, businesses, real estate, income-producing investments. That is why generational wealth is often built around property ownership. Not savings accounts, not idle liquidity, real assets. And one of the most powerful things about rental real estate is that it combines cash flow, appreciation, inflation protection, tax efficiency, leverage, and scalability. Very few assets offer all these together, which is why real estate remains one of the most powerful vehicles for financial independence. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever looked at your savings account and realized that despite saving consistently, life still feels more expensive every year? Or perhaps you have started questioning whether cash alone can truly secure your future. Let me know in the comments below. Here is the reality. Saving money is important. Emergency reserves matter. Liquidity matters. But relying purely on savings to secure your future is no longer enough, because inflation never sleeps. And the longer wealth sits idle, the more it silently erodes. The real solution is moving from accumulation to ownership, from saving to asset acquisition, from dependence on salary to inflation-resistant cash flow. And this is exactly how I created my free training video, how to grow your wealth and attain financial freedom. In that training, I explain how professionals can strategically build long-term wealth through income-producing assets without unnecessary risk or confusion. If you want to learn how to stop losing ground financially and start building assets that actually protect and grow your wealth, please click the link in the description below and watch the training now. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with somebody who needs to rethink their financial strategy. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.